Hello darlings, and welcome back here to my channel. And as you can see, we have a completely new setup. I am in our new flat. If you don't know yet and if you haven't watched my previous video, me and Georgie moved out and it's only the two of us, and that's the place where we're gonna be living in, and that's my favorite corner, so that's where I've picked to film all my videos. So that's going to be our new background. I'm still in the process of decorating everything. I have moved only a small part of my things, so that's why we have only one shelf over here, but that's what it is at the moment. I'll be figuring it out because I need to feel what's missing. I don't want to just buy. So yeah, that's about the background, and as you can see from the title of this video, today I'll be doing an IKEA haul because we went spontaneously to IKEA, we grabbed some things and they're really nice, so that's why I wanted to show them to you as well. The place that we moved into was fully unfurnished, so we had to start everything from scratch. So naturally all I wanted was a clothing rail. I actually had a clothing rail in one of my previous flats, but I didn't have a wardrobe, so I was putting everything on it and it was like so messy. And in this flat I have decided to use it for display purposes only and for my most used clothes to hang on it, so it's very convenient for me to take something. And I have picked this one from IKEA, and they have actually two that I really like. Before I had the one from £8, which is very simple, it doesn't have wheels, it just stands there, and it's a little bit smaller than this one. And by little I mean 15 centimeters shorter, and it's a little less high. However, the one that I got was £15, and for something that I love so much, I think it's definitely worth it. This one has wheels, it has a space for where you can put your shoes and your bags, you can hang a lot of stuff on it. And if you see those silver bits over here, it's extendable, so it can go pretty high. It can go up until here somewhere. You don't even see it on camera, so it is high. I have made it somewhere in the middle because I don't want it to be too high. That's my favorite thing that I got from IKEA, and what I said to Georgie was that I want something that makes me happy when I open my eyes and it's the first thing that I see in the morning, and that is it. We have Jerf Avenue, we have my favorite dress from Another Stories, Jerf Avenue again, my Vero Moda vest that I wear so much, a Jerf Avenue and Jerf Avenue. So those are my favorite pieces at the moment, something that I wear every day. Clothes make me happy, and it's like my little manifestation for the future that I get to wake up to every single morning. Something you don't know about me is that I hate doing the dishes. That's why I got something from IKEA to motivate me. Tell me, is there something cuter than using these gloves while you're cleaning around the house, doing the dishes, doing everything? Pink always motivates me, and that's why I didn't even think twice about it when I saw them. I just put them into our cart, and how cute are they? Now I can't wait to wash the dishes. I still haven't, but I shall after the video. I really like that it's double toned as well. It has pink over here, and this one is more like a creamy yellowish, very pale yellow together with the pink, and it gives me those ice cream kind of vibes, and I think it's very cute. So that's my practical but very cute purchase from IKEA. The next thing that I wanted since forever is a butt rack. I don't know if that's what it's called, to be honest, but that's what I'm calling it, a butt rack, because you just place it onto the butt and you can put all sorts of things in there. You can place your shampoo bottle, you can place a candle, your soap, whatever you want. And this one is made out of bamboo, so it does look very nice as well. We got it for £10, and I have seen the same one or similar in H&M for about 15 or 20, so I'd say it was a steal for £10. It perfectly fits in our bathtub, and it's the cutest thing ever. I haven't used it yet, but I will one of these days. You can also read a book over it, because I'm always afraid that I'm going to drop it in the water and it's gonna get all wet. So if I read the book inside the bath, I always go with my hands over the bath, and it's like very inconvenient and uncomfortable. So this one is definitely gonna find use in our little family. Now the next thing is not the prettiest, to be honest, but it was a very good deal and we really needed pillows. But not just a normal pillow, we wanted exactly this shape, like a rectangle and smaller, just so we can have it on the side of the sofa because it's missing pillows and it's a bit uncomfortable. So we got few of them, 2 for each side, to be honest. They have that preppy look to them and they kind of fit the couch, kind of not, but they were a steal because we got each one for £1. Very good purchase on a budget. And our last purchase from IKEA is this cute trolley. We actually needed this trolley for the bathroom because the one that we have is very tiny and it doesn't have any drawers, any cupboards anywhere that we can place things that you would need for the toilet or the bathroom in general. So that's why we decided to improvise, and this just felt like a very good solution because it has 3 tiers onto it and you can put random things on it. However, I did find out that this is a cutting board right after we purchased it, so this usually goes in the kitchen and we're using it in the bathroom. However, I wanted something to put like a lid onto it just for my lady products in here to not be on display because I don't like them being on display. And that's why we got something to put on top of it. Turns out that it's a cutting board, so basically I can make a sandwich while I'm in the bathtub. So that's not a completely bad thing. Yeah, I'm actually going to do that someday. Okay, maybe not a sandwich, but you can put like macaroons onto it and have them while you're in the bathtub. So that can be very fancy, kind of, but so yeah, I have in my first drawer all my lady products. We haven't really figured out what we're gonna have in it. We have bath bombs, those are some fake ones, so they're not that good. I recently purchased this, it's from Nivea and it's a rose micellar water, so I'm dying to try it out because I have been searching for it in the UK for ages and they've just started getting it in here. It's basically a makeup remover. I am dying to try it out because I love rose water, I love the smell of it, I find it so relaxing and I can't wait to try it. I have been using until now the Yves Rocher micellar water, so now I'm gonna change it up and use this one. I have my hair oil, which I always use and I definitely recommend. I have been using it for years and I love it to bits. So this one has wheels and you can wheel it out everywhere. So if we decide that we don't need it in the bathroom anymore, we can easily find a place for it once we move to another home, let's say. And the last thing that we got this day was from B&M, not from IKEA, and it's this mirror. Yes, that's our TV. So that's the mirror that we decided to replace the previous one with. I think it's pretty nice. It looks like a window and it has like a vintage frame, which is very nice. It was only £8, which is definitely on a budget, and it looks incredible for £8. It doesn't feel, well, it does feel sturdy enough for the price of it. And that's going to be our bathroom mirror because we don't have any and we both wanted one. So that's what we decided to stop on and what we decided to get instead of the black one that we got previously. So darlings, that's the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and that you like our new background. I'll be decorating it more, see what I can fit into here. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what exactly I need to put in here. I want something cute that's gonna look nice on video, but also looking nice whenever you're sitting on the couch. So any recommendations are welcome. Sending you all lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!